Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we'll show you how to view your Woodforest bank statements on Woodforest app. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, tap on your checking account. Now you'll see an option for View Statements. Tap on View Statements. Then here you'll see the list of statements. Just tap on the particular statement you wish to view. That's how you view your Woodforest bank statements on Woodforest app. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.